Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of fencing with a product that promises both style and durability. I'm talking about the best fence post caps in the market right now. The Plum Fittings 3x3 square black aluminum post caps. These post caps are designed to fit perfectly on 3x3 square aluminum fence posts, offering not just a sleek finish, but also protection against the elements. Made from rust, corrosion, and weather-resistant black aluminum, these caps are built to last. Let's break down why these are a must-have for your fencing project. Firstly, their easy installation process. Simply slide them onto your posts and secure with a rubber mallet makes them accessible for anyone looking to upgrade their fence. No complicated tools or skills needed. The Plum Fittings caps not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your fence, but also shield it from potential damage caused by water and debris buildup inside the posts. This is crucial for maintaining the longevity of your fencing investment. Now, how do these stack up against other options on the market? Unlike plastic caps that may crack over time or lose their color, these aluminum caps offer robust durability without compromising on style. From user feedback and personal experience, many customers appreciate the quality craftsmanship and the fact that these caps stay securely in place even in harsh weather conditions. It's all about that peace of mind knowing your fence is well protected. Experts in the field also commend the Plum Fittings caps for their design integrity and how they seamlessly integrate into various outdoor settings, from residential to commercial properties. Before we wrap up, let's address some common questions about these post caps. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate the look and longevity of your aluminum fence posts, the Plum Fittings 3x3 square black aluminum post caps are a standout choice. Their combination of style, durability, and ease of installation makes them a favorite among homeowners and professionals alike. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on the best products out there. Until next time, happy fencing!